more. Good, good. You know, when things don't work out, they just don't work out. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jen and we would love for you to stay and become a part of this growing community. I'm heading over to FedEx. I have to drop off that box. I believe this video is after I posted or uploaded the video where I was so excited that I got a remote job. This video that you're watching is a month from that video. Unfortunately, it did not work out for me, that particular job, even though it was remote, but I had a lot of cons that contributed for me to resign from that job. Number one, I developed vertigo. I know, 1 in a million, right? I developed vertigo. The headsets were the major factor on my dizzy spells. Having headsets on for that number of hours, and the headset wasn't the greatest quality. I had to literally put the volume up to 90% so I can hear, and most of the time I had to like press onto them because I was unable to hear. And you do everything through the phone. You speak with individuals, you pick up lines, you transfer, you do everything through your headsets. You don't have a separate phone. Your phone is your headset. So I developed vertigo so bad. I don't want to go into details, but I couldn't even really read the screen, the monitor, the computer. There was a point where I couldn't read through the monitor. I was having dizzy spells night and day, even while I was sitting. It was very, very horrible. So that was one condition that I developed. And then I also have my oldest golden retriever. He got depressed and he was getting sick. He wasn't eating for me. I couldn't really bring him with me because I had the mic on all the time, and he's one of the dogs that when he sees FedEx or UPS or even a mailman, any type of truck drive by our home, he would start barking. So I couldn't really risk it and getting fired because they literally say you need to actually keep a quiet space. There's requirements for that even though you're working from home. That was getting my anxiety so bad. And then another thing was I wasn't really happy with the company. As the days went by, the more I learned about the company, and I'm like, I really don't want to be a part of this. So when I feel that way, I know that I'm not going to be happy and I'm not going to proceed. So that's that. I'm returning all of the equipment and I have to stop by at FedEx. If an opportunity comes, absolutely, I'm going to go ahead and take it. But this time I'm going to be, and that's the thing, they don't really tell you up front. Things start popping out when you are working for the company. But yeah, I'm still on the hunt for a job because I gotta pay bills, you know, I gotta pay bills. But for now, YouTube is my full-time job. I am a small content creator. Having your likes, commenting, sub to this channel helps the algorithm on YouTube so much. And we can spread the love. Wait, where's FedEx? Oh wait, I completely missed my turn. It is raining. I have my raincoat and that box is heavy. So the good thing I went ahead, it's like right there. Right there. So it's not a whole lot that I have to walk far.
Two hours later.
You guys they're still here. Good, good. Took a little bit longer, but we managed. There's a Five Guy right next to the FedEx, and it smells so good. I love Five Guys. I love me some Five Guys. All right, so success. It took a little bit because when I went in there, looked at my email, tapped to download the QR code, it didn't want to. So I had to call the company so they can resend me a new one, and that worked.